In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy XRP ETF on Charles Schwab. Good news, as of 2026, multiple XRP ETFs are available in the United States, and you can purchase them directly through a standard brokerage account at Charles Schwab. These funds trade just like regular stocks during market hours. Some hold spot XRP, while others use futures contracts, so it's worth reading each fund's summary to understand what you're buying. You'll see several tickers when you start researching. Common examples include XRP from Bitwise, XRPZ from Franklin Templeton, GXRP from Grayscale, and XRPC from Canary. On the quote page, confirm the ticker, the fund name, its expense ratio, and whether it's spot or futures based, so there are no surprises later. To place your first trade, sign into your Schwab account on the website using your usual login. Once you're in, make sure the account you're using supports stock and ETF trading. Next, fund the account. Go to Transfers, choose Add Money, and deposit USD from your bank. You must have available cash before you can place a trade. ACH transfers can take time to fully settle, so check your available cash line before proceeding. When you're ready, open the trading screen by selecting Trade, then Stocks and ETFs. This brings up the order ticket. Search for the XRP ETF you want by entering the ticker. Type XRP for the most popular option with high liquidity, XRPZ for a lower expense ratio, GXRP for the Grayscale fund, or XRPC if you're after the largest fund by assets. Verify the price, recent volume, and the bid-ask spread. Trading during regular market hours typically helps with tighter spreads. Set up your order. Choose Buy, enter the number of shares, and select your order type. A market order aims to fill immediately at the best available price, while a limit order lets you set the maximum you're willing to pay and is generally recommended for control. For example, you can place a limit close to the current ask to help ensure a timely fill without chasing a spike. Review everything carefully. Click Review Order, confirm the ticker, quantity, and estimated cost, and then place order. Once it executes, you'll see the position in your account. If you're deciding among funds, 2026 data shows XRPZ has one of the lowest fees, around 0.19%. XRP from Bitwise is typically the most liquid, and XRPC ranks as the largest by assets. Lower fees and higher liquidity can improve your long-term experience.